Now, what are managed connectors? Picture a highway where the government maintains the roads, ensuring smooth travel without drivers worrying about repairs. Managed connectors in Databricks works the same way. They are maintained by Databricks to provide secure, reliable connectivity to enterprise data sources. This removes the burden of updates, scaling, and compatibility from users. As a result, ingestion pipelines stay production ready, governed, and efficient with minimal operation overhead. We'll meet in our next lecture.